Hi, we're Paige and Brooke. Brooke and Paige. I'm Paige. And I'm Brooke. And we are twin sisters from Wisconsin who like to cook together. So join us in our kitchen.
So for dinner today, our main course is going to be a garlic and Dijon glazed chicken and also some roasted potatoes that we put the same sauce on everything. So we're going to show you how we make it. Earlier today, I chopped up some garlic and we have salt and pepper going in. It's a very simple sauce, only a few ingredients. Next, add in some Dijon mustard. Paige, I'm going to give you the olive oil and you are going to be in charge of that. We've got our garlic, salt and pepper in here with some Dijon mustard. And I'm going to start to whisk as you drizzle in the olive oil. Alright, now we're going to pour this over some drumsticks and some cubed baby red potatoes. We cubed them so that they cook faster and so that there's more surface area for the dressing. And so once these are all covered, they're going to go into a 375-degree oven for about a half hour or until your chicken has an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Okay, so while the chicken and the potatoes are in the oven, we're going to make a simple salad with some unique ingredients that are really easy to find in the winter. Yeah, so we chose Brussels sprouts and kale, which are both very hearty, and we went ahead and finely chopped these up. You can also use your food processor to help you out if you want to, or you can buy them pre-chopped at the grocery store for a little extra money. Once we got these tossed together, we're going to go ahead and add some of our favorite ingredients. Walnuts, because they're a very healthy nut, they're low in saturated fat, high in omega-3s, and they're just really good to include in your diet. The cranberries are great because they're a little tart and they add a nice pop of color, so they look very pretty in a salad.
And we are in Wisconsin, so we have to have cheese. My favorite is blue cheese.
Paige, what if our viewers don't like blue cheese?
Well, then don't use blue cheese.
You don't have to cook with it. We're not in your kitchen. Do your own thing, but we like it. And so we're just going with a really simple dressing today. Extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste, and we're going to lightly toss the salad in that.
Well, everything here looks great. It smells amazing.
Thank you so much for joining us in our kitchen today. I really hope that you also get the chance to cook with somebody you love soon too.